Welcome, it's your boy the Vegan Mechanic, aka Tony, and I got a very good treat for you guys today. Vegan chicken sandwich. It's gonna be off the hook, off the chain, super freaking juicy, delicious, good. I'm gonna show you how to make the recipe start to finish. It's really easy. I don't care what your skill set is. It's easier than slapping that subscribe button, so go ahead and do that while we're at it. Alright, stay tuned for the video. So we're back, and I'm going to show you how to make this joint. Woo! Alright, enough of that. So right here we're going to make the batter for the PopEyes vegan chicken sandwich situation. So it's really easy. Well, one's going to be a dry mix and one's going to be the batter. So I'll leave this to be the dry mix. I have a little seasoning here. I'll link the, the seasonings in the description. Just add it there. It's gonna seem like it's a lot, but trust me, it's not gonna be overpowering. You might even want to tone it up a little bit, honestly. You know what I'm saying? Because you want it to be good. You know what I mean? All this milk and stuff. The exact measurements will be in the description. This is 1 cup of self-rising flour. This is 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk. Bam. So now we're gonna go ahead and pour that up in there. And then the part I hate the most, you gotta try to get the clumps out. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get all the little clumps out. This recipe is easier than hitting that subscribe button. So go ahead and make the food and hit the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm talking about? Alright, here we go. So if you have a little bit of clumps in there, that's okay. You know what I mean? Because you just want it overall to help coat the chicken. You know what I mean? You just wanted to coat it nice and evenly. So the one thing I didn't do yet was season my flour. You can't even see that on that. I'm looking at the monitor, you can't see crap. But anyway, you're gonna season the flour with the same seasoning that you seasoned the batter with. It might sound like overkill. If it sounds like overkill to you, I'm pretty sure you don't know how to cook. So if it doesn't sound like overkill, you good with me, and you know what you're doing. You know how to cook. We making the chicken Popeye sandwich. You know what I'm saying? It's vegan, of course. My chicken of choice is I use the Gardein, Scallopini, whatever the hell you want to call this joint, right? I use that. And what I did was, it was frozen, so I took it from the microwave. I hid it in the microwave for about a minute and a half, just to get it soft. So what I'm gonna do is take 2 of the patties and press them together now that they're a little soft. So then when I run them in the batter, you're gonna wanna try to keep them together. You don't have to do this, honestly. Really, you don't. I just want it to be nice and thick. Like if you want your chicken sandwich to be thick and crispy and crunchy, that's what you gotta do. Make sure you use self-rising flour in the batter mixture, you know what I'm saying? So you can get that flaky, crispy crunch that Popeyes have. You know what I mean? We got the little Cajun Creole seasoning up in there. Throw a little bit of hot sauce up in your batter too, you know what I'm saying, if you want to do the spicy. I'm just doing the mild because everybody don't get down with the spicy. So, if you want to do spicy, add a little hot sauce, a little cayenne pepper up in your batter. So let's go. Let's get it, man. Now we just getting all mixed up in with it, you know what I'm saying? If you hear that pop, and that's the grease getting ready. The grease know what's up. You know what I'm saying? And look, if you feeling extra special, you know what I'm saying? This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna double, treble that joint. Look at that. All right, boom. I threw a little seasoning on the vegan chicken before I threw it up in the before I threw it. What am I trying to say? After I hit the little defrost on it, I threw a little seasoning up on it too. Cause it's seasoned, but not like Popeyes would do it. It probably had like a pinch of salt in it, you know what I'm saying? We don't get down like that. So this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like a gigantic chicken breast, but it's all vegan, you know what I'm saying? I'll have the seasoning mix in the description below. So now get your oil hot to about I'm not even sure the temp. Just get your oil hot, put it on like a medium high heat, you know, make sure it's hot. Drop the sucker in there for about 5 minutes aside, let it cook all the way through, and then you take it out, we're gonna put it on a bun, and we're gonna do work with the joint. So I showed you guys how to make it, now it's time to dine in. Let's see what it's like. Like, oh my gosh, do y'all see all of that? Just look. I don't know if it's, hold on. Y'all see how good that looks? Like, for real. Like, I'm ready to smash. So, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading like I want to. Life's been, you know, super busy. Got a lot going on. So I had this idea to make this video as soon as that chicken sandwich started going crazy, but I got crazy busy, you know how it is. So I've been doing real estate, I still work my full-time job, and Baby Jackson. It's like a lot.
For you people that don't know that this is cheese, I mean not cheese. This is sauce, but it looks like cheese, but it's not.
That's my spicy mayo sauce. I literally just mix vegan mayo and hot sauce, and then boom, there you go. It's really good, really easy.
Yeah.
So my mouth is watering. I really want to try this, but anyway, it's hard to keep talking when this is staring you in the face. Mmm. Mmm.
The reason why I should know because the sauce.
The sauce is the best part. That is so good. That pickle really sets it up. Mmm. This is good. Like, so.
I told you guys I would be in the videos, but they're not.
They can't really see you, buddy. You gotta come right here. Say hi.
Hi.
A little bit in the back part. Here you go. Take a bite. So this is the mild variation. I didn't do like a spicy. This straight up the mild one. I think I outdone myself. So you seen the recipe before you seen the mukbang. At least that's how I'm gonna set the video up. Where it's gonna be recipe, and then it's gonna be me eating. So, super duper easy to make. I mean, like, you don't have to play around with anything crazy, no crazy ingredients. It's just, you know, you hook it up. I didn't have videos showing me piece the sandwich together, but it's literally bun, lettuce, pickles, and then I added some spicy mayo where it's just vegan mayo and hot sauce mixed together. It tastes really good. Bro, that's good. That's really good. So, if you guys have any questions, let me see. Let me just get y'all up to speed. So, I'm selling houses, or trying to, fixing cars, doing events. This weekend I will be at the Natural. I always want to say National. I'll be at the Natural Product Expo. checking out all the new products coming out. I will vlog when I'm in there. So as you see, ain't no faking here. It was good. So, whew, I am sorry for the lack of uploads. Life has been taking me all over the place. I'm trying to be consistent. I want to upload at least 3 times a week. Honestly, I want to do 5, but I'm gonna say I can hold myself to 3 times a week. Life's just been crazy. But anyway, this chicken sandwich, so dope. I give it 10 out of 10. We'll make it again. And I'm sure it's better than Popeyes. Don't forget to subscribe. Buy some merch. The Eat Grass Not Ass merch below. Buy that, it supports the channel. And another way to support the channel is just to subscribe. And go watch all the videos. Just binge watch. Eat Grass Not Ass. Peace out.